Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Microsoft today has decided to do a little blog post explaining the advantages of moving to Windows 11 from Windows 10, but also explaining that the best way to do so is not to go through Windows Update on Windows 10 or to simply upgrade from Windows 10, but to clean install the operating system. So, of course, one of the first reasons is unwanted software that might move on from your Windows 10 install into Windows 11. And one of the things also is that if your Windows 10 has certain instabilities, maybe you get blue screens, things like that, if you just upgrade, you might actually bring all of those problems into Windows 11, make it even worse. So this is one of the reasons Microsoft says clean install, best option from 10 to 11. Also, it warned a lot of people because apparently, and this has always been the case, but apparently a lot of people download their Windows 11 install image from all sorts of websites. Some that are kind of shady and not really sure. So you might end up with a, malware or all sorts of problems because the image has been tampered with. Remember, as Microsoft says, there's one place to download it from, and it's the Microsoft website. I'll share the link in case you need to have an image to create a install for Windows 11, especially if you're moving on from Windows 10, but also could be useful if you need to reinstall Windows 11. And last but not least, it did talk about security, and it mentioned that one of the security features that is not on if you have just upgraded, and you can see here it's off on my computer, and the Windows Security app, there's something called Smart App Control. This cannot be turned on unless you do a complete clean install of Windows 11. So that's why here it isn't possible. It is a Windows 11 install that was upgraded from version to version before Smart App Control existed. So it can't really turn it on unless I just do a clean install on it. And of course, they're mentioning that this is another security feature that's important, and that makes your Windows 11 install more secure than Windows 10 apparently. So these are a few of the things that they mentioned. And once again, I'll share the link to this page in the description below so that you can have the real deal place to download an image or to upgrade. But like Microsoft says, if you're on Windows 10, the best thing you could do is clean install. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching my videos.